Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change language on your YouTube. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So, what you need to do is click on your avatar, and now, as you can see here, you have option like language. This is very simple, and now you may change on language which you need. For example, on China, if you can China, if you know this language very good, but I will recommend you if you understand English, with you may choose English. Okay, I chose it, and it's everything in this tutorial because it was about change language. Okay, so thanks for watching. I will invite you to watch my other videos about which may show you something interesting. And thanks for watching. Leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, and see you next time. Thanks.